Hello friends, today's topic is about the circle of fifth. There is nothing too much. You can see my previous topics or videos about the circle of fifth. They are self-explanatory, so you can check them if you want to. But in the grade 3, only in they are going to introduce two more new notes, new scales, sorry. That is D major and B flat major. And their relatives, which is B minor and G minor. So as of right now, we'll just do this topic in short, very small topic. We have this one, so just solve few questions in this one. Let's get into them without wasting your time. So the first question we have is, you can see this given here. Next is, which major key has one flat in its key signature? So which major key has one flat? So that is F major, because it has one B flat key signature. Next is, which minor key has two sharp in its key signature? That is B minor. Okay. Next one is, which major key has two sharps in its key signature? That is D major. Okay. Next one we have, which minor key has two flats? That is which which minor key has no flats, no flats or sharps in its key signature? That is A minor. This is simple. A minor has no key signature because it's a relative of C major. Now next one is, which minor key has one sharp in its key signature? That is E major, E minor, because it's a relative of G major. Now next is, which minor key has one flat in its key signature? That is our D minor, because it's a relative of F major. Okay, so this was very small topic. Was there the only two new scales introducing in this one? That is our B flat major and D major, and their relative, that is D minor and G minor. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.